Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make this yummy carrot juice smoothie. This is actually an excerpt taken from one of my vlogs, so yeah, I thought it would be cool to show you really quick and easy how to make this carrot juice smoothie, so please stay tuned for the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to talk to you today about my smoothie. And this is a smoothie that I've made in the past. I haven't had it in a while, so I'm so happy to share it for you. And basically, it's just my carrot juice smoothie. I'm going to be using carrot juice by Bolthouse, vanilla unsweetened almond milk, some bananas. I'm actually going to be using frozen bananas, and some cinnamon. That's it. Very, very simple, very, very easy for those of you who like carrots. This is a good way to get them into your smoothie. So basically I'm just gonna put a little bit of almond milk, maybe like 3 ounces, 4 ounces at max, I think that is, if I'm eyeballing it correctly. Some carrot juice. And then my frozen banana. I like it frozen because I just like my smoothies thick, but you don't have to do it frozen. You can just use regular unfrozen bananas and that will be just fine. I'm putting about 1.5 banana because I already have them cut up into half pieces, and I put 3 half pieces, which means 1.5 banana. Okay, so let me put the cinnamon in there. Again, put as much as you want. I like cinnamon. It just gives it that extra kick. I'll be using my Ninja blender, and I have a link to that in my Amazon store, so check the description. I'm just gonna use the small cup. It comes with a small cup and a bigger, like regular size blender cup, but I always just use the small one if I'm just making one smoothie. You can use the bigger cup if you're making a bigger smoothie. Okay, so it's done. So I'm just gonna transfer it to one of my mason jars. Yummy. Okay, so it's done, looking really, really good. And now for the taste test. Let's see. I have not had this in a long time. It is so good, and that cinnamon really, really makes it, just gives it that extra kick. So if you like carrots, guys, I would highly recommend this. It is so good. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can receive all of my uploads. I'm going to be uploading more smoothie videos for you guys, and if you have any requests, please put them in the description and I will do my best to get to you. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma for You Style, and other information will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching.